Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video I want to show you how to reset your KRA PIN password. Perhaps you want to file your KRA returns but you can't remember your password, your KRA PIN password. Through this simple step you can recover your password. Head over to your browser, and in my case I'm using Chrome browser. You can use any browser. Type iTax portal, click enter, click iTax KRA, okay. The link will direct you to the iTax portal. Enter your KRA PIN like this. Click continue. Now that you don't remember the password, you'll have to click down here where it says forgot password or unlock account. Click here, then you'll be given some security stamp. Submit the security stamp, and the iTax system says operation successful. Your password has been mailed to you. Hand over to your email, the email that you provided during registration of the KRA PIN. Email like this, and you see an email from admin.itax. This is an email from KRA to help you reset your KRA password so that you can be able to file your return. Open the email, and you find the email with the subject password reset for KRA web portal account, and there you find your login ID and your password. Use this password to log in back to your KRA account like this. Enter the reset password that was sent to your email. Enter the new password that you want to set as your new KRA PIN password. Enter it there. Confirm the new password. Select your security question. Confirm the answer to the security question. Agree to the KRA website policy and disclaimer. Tick there. Tick also here, I have read the KRA website secure password policy guideline. Tick there. click submit, and you can see the system says your password has been successfully changed. Click OK, and from there your account is open. You can continue, you can go ahead and file your returns or do whatever that you wanted. And that is how you set that's how you reset a new KRA PIN password if you had forgotten the original one. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel, share and comment.